let's try it together. We're going to find the LCM, the least common multiple of each pair of numbers. Now, these are not finding the greatest common factor. We're finding the smallest common multiple, the smallest common count by. So let's start by counting by sixes and counting by tens. Counting by sixes, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and I'm going to wait there and see if I find a common one before I list some more. 10, 20, 30. Oh, there it is. 30 is our least common multiple. I don't need to keep counting up because I found the smallest one they share. Let's do it again. Multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And I'm going to pause there and see if I can find one that they share before I keep counting. 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay, so far I don't have one they share, so I'm going to list a few more. 45, 54, 63. Let's see if that does the trick. Let's list a few more on the sevens. 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Ah, there it was. It was when they multiplied by each other. So our least common multiple in this case is 63. So kind of the opposite of greatest common factor. Our least common multiples can be quite large, even though the word says least or smallest. All right, let's try this again. 25s and 50. Can you guess what this one's going to be? Counting by 25s, 25, 50, 75, 100, and on. If I count by 50s, there's the first one. 50, 100, 150, etc. We've got lots that they share in common, but the smallest, the least, is 50. Now it's your turn. On the right side of the page, we're going to find the least common multiple for 5 and 11, for 8 and 12, and 12 and 15. Go ahead and try it on your own. Let's see how you did. This first one took a while. I had to list all the first 11 multiples of 5 before I found one that matched with 11, our least common multiple of 55. For 8 and 12, this one didn't take nearly as long because our second factor of, or second multiple of 12, 24, matched up with 8, our least common multiple being 24. And 12 and 15, our least common multiple should be 60. Great work.